On my full forecast.
Thank you very much, Brian. A major update today. Longtime legal battle involving former Indiana Attorney General Curtis Hill has come to an end.
Fox 59 State House reporter Hannah Adamson spoke with Hill and has reaction from the plaintiffs about why the lawsuit was dismissed.
Nearly 7 years after allegations of misconduct surfaced against former Indiana Attorney General Curtis Hill, the four women who made those allegations ultimately decided to drop their civil suit against him.
My first feeling is vindication.
Former Indiana Attorney General Curtis Hill says after years of denying troubling allegations, he wishes the civil suit brought against him by a former lawmaker and 3 legislative staffers, all women, would have had its day in court.
And I wanted this to be fleshed out in a court of law. In front of a jury so that we could get to the bottom line of it.
The 4 plaintiffs had alleged Hill groped them during a party in 2018. Although a special prosecutor decided not to press criminal charges against Hill, the Indiana Supreme Court found, quote, clear and convincing evidence that Hill had committed the criminal act of battery. The court then suspended Hill's law license for a month. However, the plaintiffs say they came to the conclusion the jury trial could be a waste of time. A statement from one of the plaintiffs reads in part, quote, we decided that even if we won at trial, we would not accomplish our goals of causing meaningful change in the way sexual harassment claims are handled for those working in and around the State House. A statement from the plaintiffs' attorneys reads in part, quote, the plaintiffs were willing to resolve this matter for 0 monetary compensation if Hill would provide an apology accepting responsibility, which he has steadfastly refused to do. This comes at a time several women have come forward with accusations against several prominent Indiana Democrats. IU Professor Emeritus Jennifer Drobak says while the Hill lawsuit ultimately being dismissed doesn't surprise her, the decision could make things more challenging for other women who may want to come forward.
The vindication that might come with a jury verdict in their favor has to be balanced against the publicity and the negative response that some members of the community might subject them to.
The case was dismissed with prejudice, meaning that the plaintiffs cannot refile their suit against Hill. Reporting from the State House, I'm Hannah Adamson.
Hannah, thanks very much. At the State House.